Hello, assalamu. Welcome to my channel. This is CR. So please like my video and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. As you know, the trending topic nowadays is online earning. In simple words, you can say that the money that we earn by using internet is called online earning. Okay? And number two question which is arises is that online earning is real? Yes, online earning is real and you can earn money online in many ways. Okay? So here are 51 ways to make money online for beginners. Okay? But today we will discuss only 10 ways of online earning in this video. Okay? Now let's start. Okay, number one way which is used for online earning is dropshipping. Okay? This is one online money making option trending worldwide. But first, let us understand its functionality. In dropshipping business, there is no significant investment involved. All you need to do is sell products of a third party. You need to get orders and they will deliver the products on your behalf and credit your commission. The best part is that you need not stock the inventory or pay rent for the warehouse. Just get orders through different platforms and make money. It would help if you invested here only in purchasing a domain and e-commerce site and running investment on social media. It is that you will not be able to make any sales if you do not invest in advertisements. You become the link between the manufacturer and the customer in this business. You can keep the difference in the price you charge and the item's price coming from the manufacturer or keep a fixed commission on every sale. Okay? And number two way is blogging. If you are good at writing and possess excellent vocabulary, you can also start with blogging. It is a popular side hustle these days. First, you need to find a niche in which you are good, such as parenting, health and fitness, education, sports, travel and extra. Create your blog, choose any topic on which you will share your thoughts and insights and build your audience. The more audience you get, the more advertisement you will get. Affiliate marketing, sell online courses, plus you can sell your products as well. Blogging has numerous benefits such as it improves search engine visibility of the brand, plus you can sell other content based on your blog. In addition, numerous bloggers are making over $10,000 a month just from their blogs. So start your blog today as it has infinite earning potential with minimum effort. Number three way of online earning is affiliate marketing. When you think of making money online, the first option that comes to mind is affiliate marketing. It is one of the easiest ways of making money online. Big companies use it for promoting their products and services and making sales. In affiliate marketing, you need to sell goods or services offered by any third party or company. They provide you with a unique link. Whenever a sale is made from your link, you earn a commission. Most companies offer an affiliate program for free. You just need to register with them and start making sales. The commission usually depends on the products you select to sell and the affiliate program. Therefore, try and opt for a high ticket account as they pay hundreds and even thousands of dollars for some premium products. Number 4 way is start a YouTube channel. You can start YouTube channel and make a good amount of money. The first thing you need to do is choose the topic you will be creating a channel. It can be anything you are interested in, such as gadgets, cooking, tech, dancing, diet, videos and extra. You need to ensure that the videos you create are valuable and entertaining. Plus, you will have to post the videos regularly. YouTube has more than 2.3 billion active users. Therefore, you have a massive audience. There are a few parameters that you need to reach to start earning with YouTube. Number 1 is in the last 12 months, your YouTube channel should have over 4,000 valid public watch hours, more than 1,000 subscribers, and it should also have a linked AdSense account. If you meet this criterion, you can start making money, but ensure that you have good quality and unique content. The more views you have, the more money you will be able to make. Number 5, become a social media manager. If you have no formal qualifications like PR, business, etc., you can still become a social media manager in India. Having these skills can give you an edge over your peers, but don't worry, still you will be able to get work and make money. The role of a social media manager is to create posts and schedule them, engage with the followers, monitor analytics, and keep a check on the latest trends so that you can create trending posts for getting more followers. For getting a job as a social media manager, it is recommended to build your portfolio to show your work and illustrate your skills. Some of the things you should include in your portfolio for making it impressive are about yourself, skills and interest, work done so far, testimonials and ad campaigns. Number 6, become a video editor. The demand for videos has gone up tremendously in the past couple of years, leading to a rise in the need for video editors. It can pay well, but for becoming a video editor, you need to have basic knowledge of editing and use editing software to make a professional looking video. Once you know about video editing, you can either start with a freelancing job or can start your website online. In fact, along with a video editor, you can also become an audio editor, where your role will be to edit podcasts by emailing unwanted sounds and fixing volume. Let us come back to the video editing part. The essential things you should be a pro in are editing, merging, arranging the clips in a timeline, logging your footage, trimming videos and editing sound effects, images, music and extra. Number 7, create an email list. When you think of how to earn money online for beginners, you can even think that earning an email list can help you make money. So here you will have to create an email list of people who possess the same interests and desires as the company's product. If you are searching a long-term way to make money through email marketing, the best thing is to sell your products such as themes, merchandise, ebooks and extra. Then all you need to do is create the list and send informative and helpful regular on the list you have created. Number 8, become a freelance writer. If you are creative, possess good writing skills and are fluent in English, this is the best option for you. You can write content, blogs or articles and become a freelancer. All you need to do is create your portfolio and connect with different people to get work. In fact, there are various online websites you are where you can get a full-time or part-time job as a writer. So if you like writing, then there is no other better option for you. You just need to have a proper knowledge of the language you are writing in and ensure that you offer error-free and plagiarism-free work so that your blog content is different from the ones that are already posted on the search engines. Number 9. Contest in online games and tournaments. Competitions are on the rage these days, and there is a reason why. It is because the gaming industry is rising tremendously. If you have the right skills, participate in local competitions or online games and compete with others for money and fame. You can make money by entering competitions or by simply liking or sharing them on social media platforms. So if you are good at gaming, do try your hand at online games and tournaments where players get serious prizes for winners such as Xbox system and PS4 and more. Number 10. By clicking pictures. If you are an aspiring photographer looking to make a name for yourself or want some extra cash in your pocket, here is the best option for you. There are some websites that pay users who take good pictures. If you want to make a little extra cash while working on your creative projects, then take advantage of this opportunity. These pictures can turn out to be helpful for any content creator or websites that post its online presence. Okay guys, these are the 10 ways of online earning for the beginners. Okay, and the remaining ways of online earning we will discuss in the next video. Okay, till then, okay, bye. So please, if you like my video, then like it, subscribe it and share it. Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz.